Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. So today I'm gonna do something a little bit different in this video. Not really doing any work, actually having some fun with the family. I've got my brother-in-law's family there behind us, and we decided to carve up some pumpkins for Halloween. Now this took place a few days back, and I'm just getting this video together mostly so the family can watch it, but I thought it'd be fun to share it with all of you. Now the guys that'll be running saws, they run saws for a living, nothing new to them. And it was just a good time. It was a good day. You know, we had a lot of fun. They really wanted to try out that saw. You can see right there, it's got the power gouge on it. That thing was a lot of fun, and the pumpkin just sort of tore it up and turned it into puree, I guess. But it was good. It was a good day. So I'll do a voiceover here and there, play a little music for you guys, but like I said, mostly made this so the family can come back and check this day out again, and you know, kind of relive these moments of all of us just having a fun time. So I hope all of you enjoy. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Hey guys, I know this video is just under 10 minutes. Might feel kind of long for some of you, but if you stick around to the end, we will be able to show you our finished pumpkins. So be sure to hang out for that. If you haven't already, give the video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. So decided to take the opportunity carving something so soft to be able to let the boys kind of participate with us. In a minute here, I let Jacob help out. I do have the full weight of the saw though, and there's really no fear of kickback with these pumpkins because they're so soft. It's like a hot knife in butter. It really is. The only thing would be is if the saw maybe hit the pallet, which it doesn't. Like I said, I've got the full weight, and I allowed Jacob to pretty much just burp the throttle, so I mean, when you're carving these things, you don't even got to give it a full gas. If you got a high idle that'll spin the chain on its own, it will pretty much cut like that. So they're barely running and just kind of idling along for the most part. I mention all that because I know I got some safety wardens out there, which, hey, you know, it is what it is. We had a great day. Nobody got hurt. Life's full of risks and taking chances, and some of the best times you've ever had is flying by the seat of your pants and, you know, and make for the best memories. So nobody got hurt though. Everybody was as safe as they could be. It was definitely a fun time, and these are memories that our boys and that we will have forever. So I can take that for what it is and have that forever. You know, on top of this video, whether this stays on YouTube forever or not, our family will have this video to look back on and laugh and talk and converse about. And honestly, that's what all this stuff's about right here. It's just spending time with family, making some really fun memories. I mean, look at this kid smiling. My son's smiling. I mean, he had so much fun. I'm so glad that I gave him that opportunity to just help me handle the saw and plunge it into those pumpkins and just have a good time. That's something you just couldn't get anywhere else, you know. So I really hope you guys are enjoying this video though. I mean, like I said earlier, we had a lot of fun doing it. If so, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit subscribe. I thank you guys for that kind of support. Don't forget to stick around to see our finished pumpkins. Well, guys, there's another quick shot of me and Jacob in the pumpkin that he carved. Such a fun time. And there's all the guys' pumpkins lined up. I want to thank everybody that participated in carving. And thank all of you for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.